Good day, Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
I am Cheryl R. Pistanio.
I'm Perjane W. Gutierrez.
I'm CJ Lagahit.
We are the Flash News, delivering factual news that honestly serves our country. Here are the hot news that we prepared for you all.
Today, breaking news, the war between Ukraine and Russia with one of the deadliest attacks on Ukraine and started the war. More than 50 people killed, nearly 300 injured by two Russians missile targeting academy nearby the hospital. Meanwhile, inside Russia, Ukrainian forces to continue to push deeper into Russia's Kursk region. Zelensky says Ukraine will hold that territory for leverage. Part of a victory plan it present to the United States.
Alice Guo was arrested in Indonesian authorities in Tangerang City. Confirming in a report she was hiding in Indonesia, Philippine authorities working on girls' immediate deportation. DNR Region 12 is now cautioning the residents of the Sarangani Bay Protected Seascape or SNPS. This is after Sarangani Bay workers spotted a large crocodile in the water near Wanigo Village, Extension Barangay Lumpaditos in Lampatan, Sarangani Province. This Wednesday, September 11, using an drone camera.
Alam kong matibay ka, anak. Dahil di ka lang sa eskwela natututo. Natututo ka rin sa buhay. Natututo kang gawin ang tama. Natututo kang patibayin ang loob. Natututo kang di sumuko. Ibang klase ka, anak. Ikaw ay batang matibay. May tibay matuto sa buhay.
Bear Brand. Tibay ngayon, tulong para sa matibay na bukas.
Gabby Concepcion shared that his relationship with the ex-wife Sharon Cuneta has improved following their successful Dear Heart concert. Hindi ko inasahang tulad ng dati, at least napag-usapan namin certain things na hindi napag-usapan noon, Concepcion said during an interview in Quezon City on Tuesday afternoon. According to Concepcion, he hopes that the upcoming 8 shows of their Dear Heart US-Canada tour will have a similar positive effect. I always look forward to what comes out of this, and it's all positive. That is our hope. Anything that happens should be for the good moving forward, he added.
Audio Jungle.
Yellows made history by securing 2 gold medals in the Paris 2024 Olympics, solidifying his place as one of the Philippines' top athletes. His performance inspired many, and Signal TV played a key role in broadcasting the events across the nation.
Tagal naman maalis ang mansa nito. Mas mabaho pa.
Sawa ka na ba sa brand X na ginagamit mo?
Oo.
Itong sa'yo, Wings powder.
Ay, ito.
Yan ang makakasolusyon sa problema mo at sa damit mo. Goods!
Ang bango. Gusto nyo bang maging malinis ang labahin ninyo? Wings. Powder detergent, 15 pesos lang. And Jennifer Store.
Wings! Walang amoy kahit sa loob isampay!
For the weather forecast in the Philippines on September 18, 2024, two weather systems are impacting the country. Tropical storm Helen, ito is national name Pulasan, has entered the Philippine area of responsibility and is intensing the southeast monsoon, Abaga. This is expected to bring gusty winds.
Do ba 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 do do ba do boo do a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do 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 a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do. A do ba do ba do.